Hi, this is Joyce Farrell. This is a look at using a layout manager. Layout managers are classes that control how components are positioned in containers, like JFrames, in GUI programs. There are many built-in layout manager classes in Java. For example, some layout managers include border layout, flow layout, grid layout, card layout, and there are others. The default behavior with a JFrame is to use border layout. A border layout divides a container into regions with names like north, south, east, and west. When you don't specify a region when you add a component to a JFrame, all the components are placed in the same region and they obscure each other. Let's look at an example. Suppose you create a JLabel named Label1 and put some A's in it, and then create another JLabel named Label2 and put some B's in it. If you add label 1 to a frame and then add label 2 to a frame, and you don't explicitly use any layout manager, you'll use border layout. And label 2 will obscure label 1. The label with the B's will be on top of and hiding the label with the A's. If you reverse the order in which you add the two labels, it's no better. Now label 1, the last one added with the A's, obscures label 2 with the B's. When you use flow layout instead of border layout, components don't lie on top of each other, but they're placed in a row so you can see them all. When a row is filled, components automatically spill over into the next row in the container. So suppose we create label 1 and label 2 with the A's and the B's and add them both to a frame, but then use flow layout. Now the labels will flow across the frame and you'll see the one with the A's, and then immediately after it, you'll see the one with the B's. If you used a narrower frame with different dimensions, the labels would fill rows, but since there's only room for one label, the second label would flow down to the second row, and you'd still see both of them. That's a quick look at how layout managers work. Thanks for watching.